Chili, are you okay? Let's go to the hospital right now. Hello hamster gang, so welcome back to SAK-SOON Channel. I have bad news. Chili is very sick. So the first day, which is 3 days ago, she was very puffy, but then she was pretty active and she could still eat and drink. The second day, which was yesterday, I heard some clicking sound from her mouth every time when she was breathing, and her tail was bobbing. And last night she was very inactive. I couldn't hear her chirping the whole day, and I was assuming that she was having a respiratory problem. She wanted to sleep a lot more. She was all puffed up, and then this morning when I woke up, I was checking up on her and she was breathing heavily. And then I started researching a lot to look for exotic vets. I called like more than 6 places just to check if either if they're open or if they can take care of house sparrows.
Thank you for calling Galena Animal Medical Clinic. If you know your party's extension, you may dial it now. Thank you for calling. How may I help you?
Hi, can you guys take care of house sparrows? It's like finch, little bird.
And I wouldn't know where to refer you to for that. I'm sorry.
If this is an emergency, please press 1 now.
Hi, I have a question. Can you guys take care of a house sparrows? It's like a little finch.
No, I can give you Radner Beck's number though. They see exotic.
Okay. Could you?
It's a personal finch, right?
Yeah.
A pet?
Yeah, she's my pet.
Okay, yeah, we do have a doctor on staff who can see birds for emergency. $159 for your bird to be seen, and that does not include treatments or diagnostics, which may be an additional expense.
Okay.
Want to bring them in?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you so much for holding. This is Shelley, and you do want to come in for emergency for the bird?
Yes.
What is your finch's name?
Chili.
Y or I-E?
CHILI.
Oh, Chili. Oh, sorry. And I didn't hear her saying, what is going on with Chili?
It looks like she has some respiratory problem.
Get here, go ahead and give us a call.
All right, thank you.
All right, thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.
All right, bye-bye.
And then I finally found one after like 30 minutes of researching. It was the same hospital where Almond went before, like 5 years ago. So yeah, I'm gonna take Chili to the vet now. Chili, are you okay? Let's go to the hospital right now.
CHILI.
Actually, oh, sorry.
550. Oh, that's so chilly. She's sleeping. Girl. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to SAK-SOON Channel if you haven't. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. If you have any question, feel free to ask me anything on the comment section below. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.